Well, out here we got some future project cars sitting, and I went by here the other day, everything was fine, but not here last night. Look at all that freaking dirt fucking piled up. Piled as high as the frame. I think we got a groundhog problem. We got this nice little tunnel dug down underneath there. Let me shine a light down in there, see if you can see down in there. I don't know how freaking far down the ground they dug, but just a long ways down in there. Made him a nice little 90-degree turn down there. We need to get this car moved. You can't have dirt piled up to the frame. Anyways, looking at this cutlass here too. They've been digging beside it too down in here. Not sure where their actual hole is. It goes in the ground, but it's got dirt piled up underneath it too. Usually clear up underneath the floorboards. This valve's the one we went and got a while back. Dug under it yet. Did these two cars. This one was just the other day too. I don't think they've been under this car yet. The Chevelle's been here a while, but I don't think they've been under it either. Of course, the pickup sits up so high, it ain't gonna matter. Plan is to pull these out here. Give these little groundhog gophers, where the hell's doing a little drinky poo. With a little concoction we mixed up. Googled online that you dump ammonia down in their hole, and I'll get rid of them, so we're going to try that. See what happens. I think he's coming with the pickups. Now here we go. Just slack it out of the chain. Floor it. An 80-foot chain.
Got a low range.
Got a long ass chain. Wheels are stuck. Yeah. It's shaking pretty good out here. Where the hell's your hole at though?
Yeah. Right there. Yeah, right there. Right there.
Sure?
Yeah. I think so.
Isn't that where the tire was sitting? I thought it was right here somewhere.
Yeah, it was right here somewhere. How much dirt did they kick up over here?
I ain't see a hole over here.
Well, but a hell of a mound here.
Yeah, I thought the hole was there, but I don't see it.
Yeah.
Well, you grab the tractor and kind of level that out.
It's good.
Do the next one now. Put all the tires up. Here's our little concoction we're going to dump down the hole. We made mustard gas. There's a hole there. Do it.
Put your finger in it.
Yeah. You get a plug. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, he's going. Got a 30-foot chain on it. Get halfway across the farm for a bit.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a block behind the wheel.
Was there? Oh, yeah.
That'd help, man. Yeah. I filled the hole in with dirt when I drug it back. Yeah, filled her hole in with dirt.
This car brought it on over here.
If it grabs you and drags you down the hole, ain't much we can do. Must have filled it in pretty good. I'm sure it's stuck in the ground, but here we go. See if the groundhog comes around now. Blood! Kick some fucking dirt in the hole now. Merry Christmas. Buried alive. There's probably another hole anyway somewhere around here. Yeah. Probably pop up out of the hole hooking 50 feet over there and flip us off, take off running. More hole. Yep, I kicked dirt over it. I don't see nothing. Well, there's dirt falling in coming up. I don't know if dirt moves. Anything that got in my bath. Like I say, who knows where the hell all the holes and tunnels go. One last car to move, or groundhogs underneath this car too. Z28. Which needs to be moved. Has been needed to be moved for a while. Z28. The future project. Pretty much got it. Which it pretty much needs everything. Get a chain hooked on here and get it moved. Well, there we go. Tagging out the Z28 69 Camaro. Maybe.
Somebody else want to do it. They're not the better of the car.
Make the damn chains long enough.
Don't pull on it. Don't pull on it.
Almost ran away.
It's a little freer than I thought it would.
Yeah, I think it's got brakes on the front. There's a big old hole in that one too. Yep. Ran out of concoction, huh? You ain't poking their heads out. So. How far down in there that goes.
Well, those were 3 candidates that they were living on.
Yeah, I'd bring the tractor out here and kind of push the dirt around a little bit. Probably could pull your car airbag just a hair. Light down in there, if you see anything. Oh, it's not a python or something.